Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another Trevor's Phone Reviews video. And in today's video we're talking about the GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition. GoPro's co-founder has come out saying this is the best camera ever made with the best image stabilization. He says it's so good of image stabilization you don't even need a gimbal. He says this camera is the death of the gimbal that we know of. Let me ask you guys this. Post in the comment section below, if you're on a low budget and you only have $500 to spend for a camera, are you willing to go out and buy a GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition that shoots 4K video, shoots slow motion, has a 170-degree wide angle, or are you more inclined to get maybe a camcorder or maybe a older DSLR like a Canon T3i with a microphone that can give you some shallow depth of field and just better overall visuals? I will post a clip right now so you can see exactly what the image quality looks like, and this was taken from Casey Neistat's video where he uploaded it. And to be honest with you guys, I think it's pretty sharp, pretty well put together quality. But I'll say this, it comes down to the video editor and the video maker, because a lot of times we've seen people just upload raw footage of action cameras and it's not great quality. It's not that entertaining to use or see. But let me know what you guys think. Is this the action camera that's going to kill all action cameras, or is Sony still one of the major players in the game? Would you buy a DSLR today, or would you focus all your energy on the GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition? And the guy who runs GoPro says the audio is the best audio we've ever done. It's more realistic. It's, what do you say, like 3D stereo audio. And just like Casey Neistat says in the video, GoPros have never been known for having good audio. It's always been junk. But let me know what you guys think. It's going to be retailing for $400. As always, my name is Trevor. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for stopping by and enjoying this video. I don't know if I'd buy a GoPro for $400. You can still buy the older model and still get some wicked video. That's the smart thing to do. Buy older technology, still get wicked quality, and you don't break the bank. Ha ha, I'm out, baby.